Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome. If you want to see how I achieve this faux freckle look and how I refresh this old 7-day hair, keep watching. Okay, first I started off with Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I apply this to my clean face, on my eyelids, and this just helps keep your shadows in place all day. I then went in with the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's. I love their stuff because it's super pigmented. And the color I'm using for my transitioning color is Morocco. Now as you can see, this is great color payout. So I just dipped it in once and I'm blending this color on both of my eyes, in the crease and a little above. I then went in the same palette, the color Ya, and I'm going to apply this color to the outer V of my eye with the same blending brush that I applied the transitioning color with. Now I'm going in from the same palette with the color Kenya. I'm applying this color with this precision brush to the outer V of my eye. I then went in again with that same blending brush and just blended these colors together so it can be a seamless look. Next, I'm going in with the color Nefertiti, and I'm going to pat this color on my eyelids with this eyeshadow brush. I would then again use the same blending brush to blend these colors together to make it look seamless. Now I'm going in with the color Cleopatra, and I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line using that same precision brush that I used to apply the color to the outer V of my eye. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadows, I'm cleaning off any fallout. I'm going in with NYX Super Fat Marker to line my eyelid. Now I'm going in with Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is an instant complexion refresher, and I like to apply this before applying the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply. Only one pump used. I dab it all over my face, and then I begin to blend. For my concealer, I decided to use MAC Select Cover Up under the eyes, and I'm applying this with this little sponge applicator, and I'm just dabbing it under my eyes. I then went back in with my beauty blender to make sure everything was seamless. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm applying this under my eyes with that same sponge applicator. And this just helps set my concealer that I put under my eyes. And here is Rihanna's Fenty Beauty. I'm using this to the contour stick to, of course, contour my face. So I'm going down the sides of my nose, and I'm also going to apply this right there to the hollows of my cheek. Using that same beauty blender to blend it on out, blend it on out, blend it on out. Now I'm taking this stickling brush to brush my brows. I can't forget my brows. And I'm going to apply MAC's Pro Long Wear Paint Pot with this angle brush. As you can see, I like to keep my brows true to what they are and not add all the extras. I'm now going in with this large powder brush to blend out the Laura Mercier setting powder. I then went in with MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish to set my entire face. I wanted my face to have more of a glow, so I'm using MAC's bronzing powder to go over my contour just to give me more of a bronze shimmer look. For my blush, I use MAC's Sheer Tone blush in the color Peaches, and I'm using a powder brush, a smaller one, to apply this color. For my highlight, I'm going in with that Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm applying the color Bubbly to the high points of my cheekbones. I'm applying that same color down the bridge of my nose as well. Now with that precision brush, I'm going to take the color Sunburst out of that same Glow Kit and apply under my brows to highlight the underbrow area. What color for the lips? What color do I want to put for my lips? Alright, I'm going in with NYX Earth Tone, and I'm going to line my lips and also bring it like a little bit like on my lips as well. I line them and then like kind of like smudge it, little blending smudge type of thing. I don't know what to call it, but you see what I'm doing? Lining and kind of bringing it down, lining and bringing it down. For my color, I decided to use Kylie Jenner's Her King K Metal. And this is a soft metallic gold. I really love this color. Alright, the fun part, the freckles. I use Maybelline's Fit Me foundation and an old lining brush. And of course the foundation is like totally different from my skin tone. So make sure when you're doing this, you know, use something totally different from your skin tone. You need to be darker, or some people like to have this like a reddish color. So just make sure it's different from your skin tone. But yeah, so I applied the freckles, just dotting it all over my face. And then I took my finger and like smushed it around just to make it look more natural. Well, that's what I thought anyway. Like, this is my first time doing it, so this is how I went about doing it. My mustache, oh my God, it's shining through, but I'm so scared to get it waxed. I then went in with NYX finishing spray, and this gives you a long-lasting matte look for people who have oily skin like myself. And from the Glow Kit, I used the color Sunburst to highlight the inner tear duct area of my eyes. Now I'm using MAC's Bold and Bad Lash Mascara. I'm applying this to blend my natural eyelashes with the falsies. And I applied these falsies off camera because it was a struggle, y'all. But I got them on, and what lashes are these? These are the Demi wispies, and they're the double lash things or whatever. I forgot the number. I threw it in the trash. Sorry. Okay, my hair. I use Diva Curls Mr. Right to revive these curls, whatever they're gonna do. My hair, this is the old Wash and Go. I just laid the front down with some olive oil eco styler and put my scarf on. And now I'm just gonna fluff my hair back out, and I'm gonna spray it with the Diva Curl stuff. And just, it's like a little light little mist, so it really don't make your hair wet. It just kind of like put a little moisture back in there or whatever. So I use that when I want to refresh my curls or whatever. So that's what I'm doing, refreshing these curls. Like, my hair lasts a long time. This is 7 days, so yeah. But yeah, that completes the look. These are my faux freckles, the whole makeup look, my hair, and that's it. I hope y'all like it. I hope you subscribe if you already haven't, and thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, your morning, your night, or whatever. Bye, y'all.